Our guest speaker today is Colonel Karl, Konzelman, the Executive Officer to the Director of the Army National Guard. It is my pleasure to introduce to you Colonel Karl Konzelman.
Well, good morning, everybody. General Academy said three things today. One is congratulations on a job well done. Two is apologies for not being able to be here. And three, me, which I hope is a suitable replacement for such an historic occasion. Before we get started, though, I'd like to thank all of the cadre and everybody on the support staff that's worked so hard, and especially that beautiful rendition of the Star Spangled Banner. So thank you for all of your hard work. This is possible without any of you, and clearly these are the fruits of your labor. So I know that I'm one of the very few things standing between you and your homes and your families, so my remarks are going to be very, very brief. General Kennedy is not here today, though, for one important reason. He's actually in New Mexico right now with your adjutants and a good portion of the senior leadership from your states, territories, and the District of Columbia. So in a sense, I almost feel like saying to you, hi, my name is Karl Konzelman, and I have an accessions problem, and you are my solution. We're counting on you to right the ship that we have right now. We've made our accessions goal once out of the past 7 years. And so look amongst one another. This is the group that we're depending on to get us to where we need to be. You need to find that strength within you to do what you need to do. Now, there's not a single person out here who probably doesn't remember their recruiter, right? Everybody remembers their recruiter. You are now that person. You represent the nation, the Department of Defense, the Army, and the Army National Guard. You are that face. You're the one that they're going to remember. They're going to tell stories about. Remember Sergeant so-and-so who brought us both in? You are that person. And so we're depending on you to show the right faces, to do the right things at all times. I can't think of a better place to be on a Friday morning than spend such an historical time with you. And for your families and friends who are in the back, you should rightly be proud of what they've done here today, like they're going to do in the future. Really, that's all I came here to say to you today from Washington, D.C., with the exception of one more thing. That is, every time I stand in front of a group of people, I always like to say thank you. Thank you for your service. Thank you for what you do for your nation and for your states. You couldn't do any of this without you. Safe travels home and Godspeed. I'll take that.
Thank you for those words of encouragement, Colonel Konzelman.